GSI Foundation is proud to sponsor music education at Brockton Avenue. Brockton students in grades 3, 4 and 5 receive weekly music instruction, focused on string instruments, professional musicianship, and fostering a love of music.
We talked about 5 different types and styles of music. Good, awesome. I'm seeing all of your notebooks. They look awesome.
Rock.
Rock, good.
Classic.
Classic, yes, awesome.
Country.
Country.
Wasn't there one called Big Metal?
Yeah, there's heavy metal, good. There are different types of guitars, so let's quickly talk about those.
Electric guitar and acoustic guitar?
Yes, electric guitar and acoustic guitar.
I'm here to share music with you and to play music and answer your questions.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
So well, doing amazing.